Web scraping is the process of automatically extracting data from websites. Instead of manually copying information, web scraping allows us to gather large amounts of data efficiently. Web scraping is essential for tasks like price monitoring, where businesses track competitor prices, data analysis for gaining insights, and collecting research data from various sources. The web scraping process involves several steps: sending a request to the server, getting the response, parsing the HTML, extracting the data, and saving the data for further use. Let's understand some basic terminologies. Parser is a tool that reads and converts HTML into a structured format. An object refers to the components within the HTML document. A tree represents the hierarchical structure of HTML where each element is a node. There are various tools available for web scraping. Beautiful Soup and Requests are popular libraries in Python for simple scraping tasks. Scrapy is a more powerful framework for large-scale scraping projects. Selenium is used for scraping dynamic websites that rely on JavaScript.